Hello everyone, welcome to this video discussing about the psychological effects of hair loss in the general population among the world. Now, in general, hair loss has been a very deeply conversed topic. Like, how do people associate hair loss, baldness in their general life? Do they feel that they have lost their confidence, their self-esteem? Do they feel very anxious, and do they fall into depression? These points we will be speaking about today. Now, hair loss in men has been a very common topic in today's day and age. People are opting for many techniques to gain back their hair. Now, these techniques include surgical techniques, medical therapy, PRP injections, and many various other things. So, hair loss is not only common in males but also in females. Now, hair loss in males. When a person has hair loss at a younger age, they will usually feel loss of confidence, loss of self-esteem. They lose about their interest in daily life. Slowly they get depressed. First, they will feel anxious to come into public and be among their friends and their families in the public. When they are in public, they feel that anxiety is related to people looking at their bald spots or the loss in hair. This keeps them anxious and keeps them aggravated. They exaggerate many of the things they are thinking, like anxiety that leads to depression. That depression slowly it causes suicidal tendency. So this is observed among the young population of the world, the youths that I am speaking about. Now, when a person at a younger age is undergoing hair loss, he feels his confidence has been very low, his self-esteem has been destroyed. They feel that because of the hair loss, whatever problem is happening in life is all because of the hair loss. And if they feel that if the hair loss has been corrected, then all the problems will be solved. But this is not a right way of thinking. Now, another thing that I come across young patients in my day-to-day practice is when they are losing their hair, they will be rejected for marriage proposals. And this causes an inferiority complex and leads to a disturbed thinking, or patients don't opt to go for marriages during their balding stage or when they are bald. In this regards, they undergo various treatments like wig, hair transplant, hair therapies, many other therapies which are available throughout all the clinics in the world. Now, in women also face hair loss in their day-to-day life, but they do not. Most of the women, when they are facing baldness issue, it can be due to medical related conditions. Now, when the patient, that is female patient, has any hair loss problems, they usually go for non-surgical techniques like wearing a wig, toupee, or wearing wig, hair extensions. Then other techniques that they want to undergo to save their hair like PRP. Then some of them even undergo transplant. Now, regarding the medical condition, if they are not well, if they are having some underlying disease like thyroid issues or PCOS, they may cause hair loss at an accelerated stage. I want to speak about is what a patient who's undergoing anxiety difficulty, what happens to his thinking. So when a patient is undergoing hair loss, he has anxiety issues. That anxiety issue slowly leads to depressive episodes, and because of depressive episodes, they are not in the proper state of mind to make correct decisions, leading to negative decisions on the social aspects of life. I want to speak about is patients who are undergoing hair loss. It is equal in both males and females, and in today's day and age, it is at an accelerated age. That is, at a younger age, they are facing these issues. And psychology and hair loss. The psychology and hair loss are very closely related to each other. They go hand in hand. So if a patient feels hair loss is happening, he is becoming bald, he loses his confidence, self-esteem, and the remaining psychiatric disorders engulf him. When we speak about hair loss can be various conditions like alopecia totalis, where there is loss of eyebrow, mustache, beard, all the hair of the body. There are conditions like alopecia areata, where there is small area of the scalp is affected, be it scalp or any other facial hair, which slowly spreads to involve the whole area of the affected part. These two conditions, along with androgenetic alopecia, that is for male pattern baldness. This is a very common pattern of baldness present in the society, that is due to genetic reasons, that is hereditary acquaintance of the genetic factor. Hair loss is causing many social acceptance issues like anxiety and social phobia and feeling of someone talking about their baldness or their hair loss. It is present in most of the individuals that are facing this issue. That was the psychological part of effects of hair loss in general population in men and women, and the techniques that these individuals undergo, the therapies or be it any other thing that they undergo to look proper, to be presentable, which because of which they feel that their self-esteem or their confidence has come back once they feel they have a healthy head of hair. So healthy head of hair and head full of hair, this is usually associated with good confidence, good looks and charm. We will speak about the treatment aspect of it in another video pretty soon. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.